All right, we're looking at a probability question from our simple probability handout. On this one, number 3 here, we're looking, what is the probability of the spinner landing in a blue section? So one thing you want to take note of right away is that we have a circle divided up into 4 equally sized pieces. One's not bigger than the other. Blue is one of those regions, again, out of a total of 4. And probability is set up, the notation begins with a capital P, and then what we're taking the probability of, so I'm going to write blue here. You could also abbreviate to just a B. But probability is set up in general of what we're looking for out of the total number. So it would be what we're desiring, our desired outcome, blue. There's one of those, and then out of a total of 1, 2, 3, 4 equally sized spaces. So the probability is actually here just 1 out of 4. We can put that in other formats. So a fraction can, of course, be written as a decimal or a percent, and I can use my calculator to help me out with that. 1 over 4 is the same as 1 divided by 4. That gives me this decimal of 0.25. So I could also write this as 0.25, and that would be perfectly acceptable. And then, of course, I can make that into a percent by multiplying that number by 100. And then that would give me 25%. Any of these are acceptable, but because the numbers are so small in this ratio form, we'd probably just leave it as a fraction. The probability of landing in blue is 1 out of 4 total options. Hope that's helpful. Message me anytime with questions.